NBC7 San Diego News at 5.
Good afternoon to you. I'm Christine Haas.
I'm Mark Mullen. The San Diego Police Department and taxpayers now face a new lawsuit involving sexual assault and battery by a former officer. NBC7's Mari Payton explains why this legal action is different, Mari, than others filed against disgraced officer Anthony Arevalos.
Mark, Christine Arevalos is in state prison following his conviction on sexual battery and other crimes against the women he stopped in the gas lamp district. This latest lawsuit claims San Diego Chief William Lansdowne failed to control bad behavior by his officers.
My heart just began to pound as fast as it could. I was terrified.
We're identifying her only as Jane. She says Anthony Arevalos sexually assaulted her 2 years ago in Mission Valley. In an exclusive interview with NBC7 News, Jane described what happened inside the patrol car.
He waved the flashlight in my face, and then he shoved his hands inside of me.
Jane reported the incident, but Arevalos stayed on the job where he assaulted several other women before his arrest and conviction.
She feels that it failed her from the beginning and that her justice will be done in civil court.
Attorney Mary Prevost filed this lawsuit in federal instead of state court, where at least 5 other actions are pending against the city. Prevost says federal judges who have lifetime appointments are more independent than state judges, who must campaign for re-election.
They're looking for the police departments, the sheriff's department, to all back them and support them when they run.
Legal experts also say it's easier for plaintiffs to get an officer's personnel record in federal court. Those records can reveal more examples of bad behavior and discipline.
Being able to get those records and perhaps getting them into evidence can be decisive in a civil rights case.
The lawsuit also names Chief Lansdowne as a defendant and claims that by disbanding the department's anti-corruption unit in 2003, he gave a, quote, virtual green light to officers that misconduct would not be punished.
The fact that they knew and that they let him on the street to do it again and again and again and again is going to cost them a lot of money.
We sent a copy of the lawsuit to the police department for comment, but have not gotten a response. One expert told us the city could challenge the victim's credibility because she admitted she was drunk when she was allegedly molested. I'm Mari Payton for NBC7 San Diego.